teacher.
Hello, Potato. Good evening. Can you
Yes.
hear teacher? Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, how are you today? How are you?
I'm great.
You're great. Okay. So, Potato, today is Monday. And what did you do a while ago? Can you tell teacher what did you do?
What?
A while ago, what did you do a while ago? Hi?
I
Did you go to school this morning?
yes.
Oh, did you had fun in the school today? Did you had fun?
Yes.
All right, that's good to hear. You had fun in today's class in your school. All right, so Potato, let's not waste time. I will share to you the screen so we can now start immediately with our lesson. Okay? All right, Potato, look at
Yes.
okay, I want you to look at the screen. Potato, what is Unit 9 all about?
Nine. Funny monster.
Okay, Unit 9 is all about funny monsters. So we will be talking about funny monsters in today's class, okay? Let me share to you the screen, but before that, let's have grammar, okay? I have here a question, how many blanks have you got? Okay? If you will be asked how many
Yes.
have you got, you will say I have got or I've got, okay? For example, Potato, how many toys have you got? How will you answer the question? How many toys have you got?
I got two toys.
Oh, I got 2 toys. Very good. And what are those toys? Can you tell the teacher? What are those examples of toys that you've got? I've got, what is it?
I got.
Hmm.
I have got two toys.
Okay, what are those toys? Can you tell teacher what are those toys? What toys do you have? I've got.
I got a car.
Okay, I've got a toy car. What
Got
else?
a car and a ship.
Oh,
A
a
ship.
car and a ship. Those are your 2 toys, a car and a ship. Now here, okay. Let's do this one. Okay, look at here, Potato. Let's answer this question. So I have here a monster. Okay, now here, Potato. How many heads has the monster got? How many heads?
Two.
2. Okay, we will write 2. And how about eyes? How many eyes has the monster got? The monster got how many eyes?
Six.
6. Okay, teacher will write here 6. Okay, next. How about noses? How many nose can you see? The monster got,
Three.
again, how many how many noses? The monster
Three.
got 3 nose. Okay, I'll put 3. Next, here. And it hasn't got a mouth, but it's got blank funny tails. How many funny tails can you see in the picture? How many funny tails?
Two.
2. Okay, 2. Next, its blank feet are very big. How many feet? How many
What?
feet How many feet does the monster got? How many feet?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5.
Okay, the monster got 5 feet. Okay, next. Okay, how about arms? How many arms can you see? Potato, how many arms?
It
It got how many arms?
it got 4.
Okay, 4 arms. Okay, look at here. Okay, Potato, can you read about the monster? Come on, please read. The monster, go. Please read.
It got 2 heads and 6 eyes. It got 3 nose. It has
Noses.
got doesn't map, but he got 2 funny tails. It lives 5 feet are very big. Its 4 arms are very long and his legs are very small.
Okay, so Potato, are you ready to check your answer?
Yeah.
Okay, look at here. So let's try to look, read, and write the numbers. So we have here the monster. It's got 2 heads and 6 eyes. Very good. It's got 3 noses, correct? It hasn't got a mouth, but it's got how many funny tails? 2 funny tails, correct. Now here, its 5 feet are very big. Its 4 arms are very long, and its hands are very small. Very good. Correct. Very good, Potato. You were able to give the correct answer to this thing. Now here, then draw and color the clothes. Potato, do you know how to color on the screen? Do you know how to draw and color? No? So you don't want to color?
No.
No, you don't like to color? Okay, let's move. All right, let's move. Now here, let's try to color this one. So I have here the following. So the monster's arms are red and its hands are green. Potato, what's the color of the monster's arms? What's the color of the monster's arms, Potato?
Monster
Monster's
arm is monster arm.
Monster's arm is color.
Monster arm is green.
Oh, arms is green. Are you sure it's green?
Green.
Huh? Arms. Monster's arm
Red.
red. How many arms can you see? How many arms does the monster got? The monster got how many arms again?
It's 4.
Okay, teacher
4.
will color it for you, okay? I'll color it. Since you don't like to color, I'll do it. Can you do this?
Yeah.
Just color. Okay, do you want to color?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Okay, I'll give you.
No.
So, no, so teacher will do it?
Yes.
Okay. So I have colored the first, second, and then the third one. And you said there are 4 arms. Okay. Okay, next. How about the hands, Potato? What should be colored to the monster's arms? Monster's arms is color. What's the color of the monster's arms? Monster's arm. Hands. Hands. Sorry. Hands. Potato. Hands. Monster's hands.
Green.
Green. Okay. So we have here small hands. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Next, number 2, Potato. Okay, look at number 2. What should we color on the monster's face? Faces. What should we color on the monster's? Is it pink? The face? The face. Face.
Purple.
Okay, purple. How many faces can you see? Potato, how many faces can you see? How many faces? Two faces. The teacher will color the 2 faces. First face. Second. And how about the eyes? What should we color to the monster's eyes? Potato, monster's eyes. What should we color in the monster's eyes? Monster's eyes. Monster's eyes is pink. How many eyes can we see? How many eyes?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, 6. So I'm gonna color it pink. 1,
6.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct. Next. How about the nose? What should we color on the monster's nose? Monster's nose, we have?
Yellow.
Yellow. How many noses can we see?
Yellow.
How many noses can we see? How many noses? How many noses, Potato? There are. How many noses can we see?
3.
3? Yes.
3.
Yeah, okay. 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, next. Potato, how about the boots? Color the 3 boots and the 2 boots. What should I color on the 3 boots? Potato, what should I color on the 3 boots? 3 boots is blue. Okay, blue. 1, 2, 3. And how about the 2 boots? How about the 2 boots? 2 boots is color? Potato. What should I color on the 2 boots?
Orange.
Okay, orange. Where's the orange
Orange.
here? Okay, here. The 2 boots, orange. 1, 2. Next, how about the t-shirt? Okay, make its t-shirt pink. Okay, I'm gonna draw t-shirt. Okay, how do you draw a t-shirt?
No.
Like this? Okay. So, did we do it correctly, Potato? Potato, did we do it correctly? Okay, very good. All right, so let's check your work. Oh, great work. Look at that. We were able to do this properly. Okay, so again, Potato. What are the color of the monster's boots? What are the colors again? Monster's boots are color. What color?
Color boots are blue and orange.
Very good. How about the monster's arms? What color did we use for the monster's arms?
Monster arm is red.
Okay. How about monster's faces? Monster's faces.
And the final is purple.
Okay. How about monster's eyes?
Monster eye is pink.
Okay. How many eyes do we have here? Look at that. How many eyes can you see in here?
I see 10 eyes.
Oh, 10 eyes? Are you sure? How many eyes can we see?
No.
How many?
6.
Okay, 6 eyes. And how about hands? How many hands can we see?
4.
4. Very good. And what's the color of the hands? What's the color? Hands is color.
Is color green.
All right. And how about the nose? How many noses can we see in the picture? 3. And what's the color of the nose, Potato? The nose is color?
Yellow.
Very good. Okay, good job. You are able to answer the given question. Now here, let's answer with yes or no. Number 1, Potato. It's got 5 feet. Yes or no? Potato. The monster?
Yeah.
Okay, yes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna write yes. Okay, next. Number 2. It's got 1 nose. What's the answer? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay,
No.
next. Number 3. It's got 2 funny tails. What's the answer? It's got 2 funny tails. The answer is? Funny
Correct.
tails?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. Next, number 4. Okay, the monster's eyes are pink. What's the answer? The monster's eyes are pink. Yes or no?
Wait a
Yes?
minute.
Okay, I'll wait for you. Oh, Potato is now writing. That's Potato, number 5. It's got 2 green faces. It's got 2 green faces. Yes or no?
No.
Okay, let's check your answer. Very good. Now here, it's got 5 feet. The answer is correct. There are 5 feet. Next, it's got 1 nose. The answer is no. Very good. Potato, why the answer is no? No, because
It is 3
it's got 3 nose. Very good. It's got 2 funny tails. The answer is yes. Next, number 4. The monster's eyes are pink. Yes. How many eyes does the monster got, Potato? How many eyes? The monster got 6 eyes. Correct. Next. It's got 2 green faces. The answer is very good. It's no. Potato, why the answer is no? No, because
What?
why the answer why the answer number 5 is
Purple
no?
face.
Because it's purple faces. How many faces can you see? How many faces? How many
2.
faces? 2. Okay, great work. Okay, wait me. Potato, you enter again to the Zoom, Potato, okay? Enter again. Because this Zoom is about to close, okay?
Yeah.
Enter.